what's up? We're back for another YouTube video. Today, we're going to be building the motor, or most of it, I believe all of it, but I got nice special packages here from Texas Speed. It's quite heavy, so that means we got some good stuff. So we're going to jump right into unboxing this stuff and then building the motor, so let's get right after it. Alright, straight up, I actually don't know what is in this package, so we're going to find out together. Then that means we got a cam. I will set it up for you guys better and show you. And a lanyard. Alright, straight up, new heads. I'm going to actually open them up on camera, but the box was just too big for me to kind of get up on the bench because I'm working with limited room here, so we will get the first look at these things together. So these here are the Texas Speed 225cc cathedral port heads. These things should make some jam, so let's get right after it. Alright, so we gotta do a couple things before we can really start rebuilding the motor. We gotta pull the old lifters out and the old cam, so I'm gonna start pulling the lifters out.
Are you filming?
Kinda.
Oh shit. No,
You're good, do your thing.
I was gonna open the garage, I don't want to make extra noise.
No, you're fine. Off. Gasket looks good still, so that's pretty nice. And now we can pull the cam out and put another glove on really quick. Old cam is out. If you look, you can see a little bit of wear, but that's just where the rollers roll. So looking super crispy still, everything looks good. This cam might be going to one of our sponsors, I'm not sure. I don't know if she's going to want it, but if she does, it's here. Alright, so here's the new cam. Really quick, I'm going to actually compare this one to the old one, side by side, just to get a visual. So we'll do that in a second. Now it's going to be a little hard to tell on camera, the like lobe separation angle and stuff. This is the new cam. You can see how the lobes are very different, and on this one they're a little bit more downward facing versus out, so it's a little hard to really see on camera, but I mean you can literally just look at the lift. But I'll put the specs up on screen for you guys. So right here are the specs for the new cam. Part number, you can get all the information right there.
You just fingering your motor?
No, I just put the shaft in actually. I did. I literally put the camshaft in, that's what it's called. Sorry about you guys, I feel like I've been leaving you hanging recently, but cam is in. So now we're going to put the cam retainer plate on. I got it slipped on now. I'm going to start putting the bolts in. And then pretty much tighten them down. I'm going to Google the torque spec because I don't recall off the top of my head. So these things have a 18 foot-pound torque spec, which is basically just like a good you know, a nice little so that's all I'm going to do. That's torque to spec. Torque to spec. I just ripped ass, I'm so sorry. Torque to spec. Alright, so my camera died. I'm walking back up to the garage right now. I did a couple small things without you guys. I think really the only thing I did was put the lifters in and the lifter trace, so I'll show you guys that. They literally just slide right in. If you can't do that, I wouldn't try to do what I'm doing. And I started putting the front plate on. I got the tool to align the front plate and the pan right here set up, so I'm going to continue doing the front plate, and I don't know how much more I'm going to do tonight, just because it's getting a little chilly out here. As you can see, my breath and everything, so let's move on. Alright, so I'm going to stop there for the night. It's a little late, it's a little chilly. I'm going to resume first thing tomorrow morning. I'm going to go shower, eat some Domino's and whatnot. If you guys are enjoying the video so far, I know you've watched me do this a lot, but you know, that's alright, because like I said, we got them crispy heads coming. I'll talk about those more tomorrow probably, when they're going to get sold. But if you guys are enjoying the video, back to the topic. Like, comment, subscribe. Really helps a lot. I would appreciate it greatly in my heart and in my soul. Thank you. Also, we have like merch down below. We don't talk about it too much. it's pretty cool. We're gonna have new stuff drop in the next couple of months, month or two. We sell parts, tires, all that jazz. So check it out if you guys are interested. Thank you, sir. All right, we're back. Day 2. I dropped the wheel pan on. I got the bolts on. I'm gonna just snug them all up. The torque spec on these is pretty low, so I'm really just gonna give them a little and be done. Super simple. I might throw one head on today. I only got one head yesterday in the mail because it was separate packages through FedEx. I hate FedEx. Besides the point, I only got one package. The other package isn't going to be here until Monday. So I might put a head on, I might not, because I don't really want to leave them open or whatnot. So I don't know. We'll see. So, first of all, we're going to try to up the quality of the videos. You might notice that in the middle of this video, you might not. We'll see how the editing process goes. A little bright in here, but we're going to work on putting the heads on, the brand new heads. I'm going to roll a little B-roll clip kind of thing we made for Instagram right here. What's up, guys? Here, we're going to show off some new parts for the 2025 season. This is a head cam package from Texas Speed. We'll start off here with the heads. These are the PRC 225 heads. They come with dual valve springs, 660, as well as titanium retainers and slightly bigger intake and exhaust valves than factory. Next for the cam, this is just a slightly bigger cam than we had in the car last year. This will help improve the power band everywhere throughout the RPM range, as well as a nice sick chop at idle. Which reminds me, if you're not following the Instagram, follow us right here, please. Thank you. That's where a lot of our updates happen that don't make it to YouTube because we don't post as frequently as we would like to. Boom. Head is on. Now we'll throw some bolts in it. Don't forget those. And our head gasket's on already as well. Even if you can't see it, it is there, I promise. Boom. Just like that. Head's torqued up. Just kidding, it's not torqued, but head's on. Heads on. Both heads on. Torqued to spec. Been helping Tyler work on his front end. He's rebuilding the whole thing, so let's take a look.
And the same thing, we'll put tabs up to hold the cooler.
I
like
got you.
this.
Yep. So double mount it here,
Yeah.
and
Well, yeah, like probably here
Yeah.
to like here.
yep.
Because the rad is
Are you
right
ready?
under this bar, I think.
As far as we're pretty much back to where it was.
Looks like you know what we're doing. Alright, so I did do a very little bit off camera. I've really just been hanging out in the garage, it's a little chilly, not doing much. I'm kind of tucked up in the corner still. But I did clean up kind of the accessory brackets and put some of the accessories on down there. Like I said, I'm really just going slow, tucked off in the corner, not really doing too much today. So, you know, it's really it for the motor build. Just gotta really put like the accessories on. That's really it, honestly. So that'll probably conclude this video, I think. I'm not wearing any of our merch right now, but we got merch down below, tires, parts, all that jazz, so check it out. The link will be down there. We'll have a couple more videos coming out soon. We've been filming a bunch of stuff, just rolling it out slowly. So thank you guys. If you enjoyed, like, comment, subscribe, do the thing. Thank you. Peace out.